Everybody, I'm Alec, and I'm here today to walk you through a new exciting feature in Hightouch called Priority Lists. It's an extension of our Audiences product, which allows marketers to come in and build and manage their omni-channel marketing audiences directly from Hightouch before then syncing them out to any of their advertising or marketing platforms. So for those of you not familiar with Audiences, I'll give you a very quick demo here, just using some of our dummy data. We'll do a cart abandoned audience. So in this case, we'd want to do an item added and then did not have an item purchased. Maybe we'll add some time windows on these, so within 30 days, and then within, let's say, 7 days of that item added event. We can also add in some logic like have a property. So maybe we have a brand affinity value from our data science team that we could pull in here. So let's do brand affinity of Nike, Reebok, and let's go Allbirds. Love a good Allbird. So we can hit preview here. You can essentially see that we have 48 users in this audience. If we want to do any type of QAing on these users, we can. If we want to look at overlap with other existing audiences, we can also do that. So let's look at our high purchase propensity. Looks like there's a little bit of overlap, not much here though. And then do some breakdowns to understand maybe things like state. So let's see what this state breakdown looks like. Yep, looks good. I can see it as a pie chart, whatever it may be here. But essentially the tools that you need to QA your audience as you're building them, right? Now I could go ahead and hit continue and then send this down to my many marketing tools, but this demo is specifically going to be focused on priority lists. So we'll actually hit exit and hop back over here. So in this case, let's pretend that we have a BOFU, MOFU, and TOFU audience. For those not familiar, that's bottom of funnel, middle of funnel, top of funnel. And let's say I want to make sure that users are only fitting in one of these at a given time, right? Historically, that context is pretty hard to actually build in an audience builder, that segmentation logic. So what we're doing now with priority lists is allowing users to seamlessly manage those types of campaigns. So I'm going to come in here, hit add prio list. We're going to just call this demo. Again, I'm going to pick my demo data set, and I'm going to grab my 3 audiences that I want to include. Now in Hightouch, I'll move this over here, I can actually stack rank these based on priority. So in this case, I would want bottom of funnel at my top prio, my middle of funnel middle, and top of funnel at bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, as users actually fit into these audiences, let's say a top of funnel user does whatever logic is needed to get them to middle, let's say it's submit an email address, they will actually shift out of top of funnel and into middle of funnel. You no longer have to worry about audience collisions or really complex audience logic to get these type of funnel-based ad retargeting campaigns. So we'll go ahead and actually hit save here. But I hope everyone enjoyed the demo. If anyone has any questions for me, please reach out, alec@hightouch.com. If you have any feature suggestions, whatever it may be, our team is more than happy to take those in and hopefully build them into our product roadmap. Any questions about Hightouch, simply go to hightouch.com/audiences, and hopefully you can get all your questions answered there. We're more than happy to do a demo or just talk with your team. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.